Hello traders, in this video we are exploring the PZ order block indicator for MT4 and MT5. This indicator automatically detects and highlights institutional order block zones on your charts, helping you visually identify areas where large buy or sell activity may have taken place. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright. So the PZ order block indicator plots colored rectangles or zones directly on the price chart wherever it detects potential bullish or bearish order blocks. Bullish order blocks typically appear as shaded areas below or around price where prior strong upward moves originated, implying zones of potential demand and institutional buying interest. Bearish order blocks appear as shaded zones near the origin of strong downtrend moves, implying potential supply areas where institutional selling may have taken place. These plotted blocks visually mark areas that can act as support or resistance, highlighting where price has previously reacted strongly and may react again when revisited. Because the indicator works across multiple time frames, you may see overlapping zones that reflect both short-term and higher time frame institutional footprints on the same chart. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Right. The indicator includes parameters to control how many historical bars are scanned when searching for order blocks, which affects how many zones appear on the charts. Sensitivity settings let you adjust how strict the detection is, influencing whether only major blocks or smaller ones are marked. There are options to show or hide expired order blocks, so you can focus on current relevant zones or also study past institutional areas. Alright. Visual customization settings allow you to change the colors and opacity of bullish and bearish blocks for clearer differentiation. Alert settings can be enabled so that you receive notifications when price re-enters an identified order block zone, helping you monitor markets without constant screen time. So who is the indicator for? This indicator is suited to traders who use price action, smart money concepts, supply and demand, or institutional order flow style analysis and want a visual aid for spotting key zones. It is a visual and analytical tool only. It does not execute trades and should be combined with additional confirmation such as structural analysis, candlestick behavior, or other indicators before making decisions. Because it is based on historical price movements, some detected blocks do not lead to strong future reactions, and price can sometimes cut through a marked zone due to news or changing market conditions. Default settings may not fit every trading style, so users may need to test and adjust their parameters to align with their preferred timeframes and markets. The download links are in the description below. You can learn more about the PZ order block indicator and other tools over at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you stay updated with future videos.